So basically my goal is to teach you how to plant a full functioning container garden in your backyard with plenty of fruits and vegetables. And I just want to show you that it is possible to do this in a small space, in your backyard, on your patio, wherever you are. You can do this. It's not rocket science. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. What's up, Royals? Alright, so in this video we are going to be planting our cabbage and our collards. This is a cabbage plant. We've got our soil good to go, and we're just going to make a few little amendments to this before we plant our beautiful cabbage. Look how beautiful this is. Gorgeous. So first of all, we need to put some fertilizer into the soil. And I'm going to go ahead and use Dr. Earth homegrown organic fertilizer. I'm going to go ahead and put a handful of that into the soil. That should be enough. Mix it in. Alright, so we've mixed our fertilizer into the soil. That is going to be available to our plant once it breaks down in a few months, when the plant is really going to need it. So I'm going to go ahead and dig a little planting hole. And with cabbage, you don't want to bury the stem. It's not like a tomato plant or a cucumber plant where you can bury the stem. You want to keep the soil right at the base where the original soil is. You just want to meet them up perfectly. In that case, we don't have to bury too far. We can go ahead and put some goodies in our planting hole. Throw in some worm castings. So worm castings is great because it's going to give it that extra nutrients that a container plant is going to need. Since container plants don't have any natural life forms like worms, earthworms, any bugs or anything like that, it really needs that extra help. So we're going to go ahead and throw in a handful of worm castings. Lovely cabbage that we've been growing for so long, and just pop it out. Squeeze that bottom and pop it right on out. Look at those roots. Look at those roots. Beautiful. Not too bad. But it's definitely time to pop this baby up. So, you know, go ahead and zhuzh the bottom of the plant. That should be enough. And pop it right down into the soil. All right, and that looks wonderful. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. You want your cabbage to get at least 6 to 8 hours of sun a day. Right now, I'm just gonna water this in with a soluble fertilizer. I love this Alaskan fish fertilizer. It's really good. It's gonna give your plant the nutrients it needs right now. It's just been planted. It really is gonna need a little boost. So we're gonna keep this out of the sun for today. We're gonna let it recover. We're gonna water it in with our fish fertilizer. And that is going to be a done deal for this plant. All right, so for our collard green plant, we're going to repeat the same exact process. All right, now once that's in, we're going to go ahead and dig our planting hole. And just like cabbage, you don't want to bury the stem, you just want to keep it right around the same level as the original soil for that nutrition that containers don't usually have. We're gonna pop this baby out. Ooh, nice. Oh my gosh. This is, yeah. This is ready to be planted. And this only looks like this because the weather in San Antonio has been so crazy that it just wasn't safe to put them out in the yard yet. But now it's time. So go ahead and place her down into her planting hole. And we're going to just go ahead and back cover. You want to be really gentle with this process. That's fine. Nothing to worry about, just prick that off. Pack it down in there nicely. Oh my gosh, I broke 2 leaves. What's going on here? It's okay. That looks like a good new home. And also for collards, collards love 6 to 8 hours of full sun a day. And I'm gonna go ahead and water this in also with the fish fertilizer and keep this out of the sun for about a day, and then I'll put it back out tomorrow. All right, you guys, so we have our cabbage and our collards planted. I'm super excited for the season. There will be 3 parts to this video. This is the first, of course, and then I will keep you updated on the growth of this plant and how to fertilize and all that good stuff. And then hopefully harvest goes well, and I will show you how to harvest your collards and your cabbage. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. If you like these type of videos, give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if this helped you. Let me know what you'll be growing this season if you've already started planting your seedlings out into the garden. I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.